Welcome viewers. Today's project is about how to make crochet flowers and leaves. This is the second part of this video. I have uploaded the first part in which I have made crochet house. If you have not watched it, then press the I button and watch that video. I will also give the link of first part in description below. Okay, let's start. I have used 3mm crochet hook. Firstly, we make a knot, then make a chain of 7. Attach at first stitch with slip stitch. Then make chain of 5. And attach at the same space. Make another chain of 5. And attach at same space. Like this, make 5 loops based on chain of 5. Join another color and make 1 chain. It counts as first single crochet. Then make 1 double crochet. Two double crochet. Three double crochet. Four double crochet. And 5 double crochet at the same space. Then make 1 single crochet. First petal has been done. Like this method, make another petal. Make 1 single crochet at next space. Then make 1 double crochet. Two double crochet. Three double crochet. Four double crochet. And 5 double crochet at the same space. Then make 1 single crochet. Follow this pattern for all loops. We will start to attach sparrow with single crochet. This cute little sparrow pattern will be uploaded as third part. Make 14 chain. Attach at 4th stitch with triple crochet. This first 3 chains count as first triple crochet. Make 1 more triple crochet at next stitch. Make 1 double crochet at next stitch. Make 1 more double crochet at next stitch. Make 1 half double crochet at next stitch. Make 1 single crochet at next stitch. Turn to other side. Make 1 single crochet at the same single crochet stitch. Make 1 half double crochet at next stitch. Make 1 double crochet at next stitch. 1 more double crochet at next stitch. Then make 3 triple crochet at next 3 stitches. Then attach at first stitch of chain. Leaf has been completed. Then make chain of 5. And attach the flower. Follow this procedure for all 3 tassels. Viewers, hope you like my project. If you like my project, then subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.